I'm recording this video specifically for finding animals, seeing different tissues in different animals. In order to access to that, you tap on here and choose case library. The screen coming up, case library screen, and tap on this one. When you highlight this, the list of the animals here for dissection coming up, there are different parts here. You can bring it down, you can see different sections here. Are different. I just moved it. There are so many. I just moved it up to here. You can see there are more. It's coming down here. You can see there are many. The first one, I chose this one. Tap on it. Here it is. I chose the dog, and let me bring it up. Here. And then you can do the dissection.